How to write 0.9375 as a fraction in simplest form? So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep this decimal and write the number you are getting. And for denominator, every digit after a decimal you have to consider 10. 4 digits, so write 410. 2, 3, 4. Now we need to reduce this fraction. So how to do that? We can, if we want to reduce this fraction in one step, then we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or divisor. And if I want to reduce this fraction in multiple steps, then I need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This number has 5 at the end, so this is divisible by 5, and this number has 0 at the last, so this is also divisible by 5. So here we will get 2, and here look, divide this number by 5. 5 goes into 9 one time 5, 5, subtract 4, bring down this 3, 5 goes into 43, 8 times 5, 40, subtract 3, bring down this 7, 5 goes into 37, 7 times 5, 35, subtract 2, bring down this 5, 5 goes into 25, 5 times. So we are getting this 1875. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. So right here 2, and look, 5 goes into this number how many times? 5 goes into 18 3 times, 3 times 5, 15, strike 3, 7, 5 goes into 37, 7 times, 7 times 5, 35, subtract 2, bring down this 5, 5 goes into 25, 5 times, right? 375. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, we get 2, and we get what? 5 goes into 37, how many times? 5 times. 7 times, 7 times 5, 35. Stuck to bring down this 5. 5 goes into 25, 5 times. So we are getting 75. Again, this is divisible by 5 and this is divisible by 5. 5 goes into 7 one times. 5 to 7. It is 15. We are getting 15 actually. So 15. So now write 15. 2 times to 4, 4 times to 8, 8 times to 16. So there is only one common factor between 15 and 16, which is 1. So we can say that this is the lowest term.